The 2026 Harley Davidson Model U sets a new standard. The chrome detailing and that classic red paint job truly make this bike unforgettable.
The 2026 Harley Davidson Model U represents a bold step forward for the brand, blending classic American design with modern engineering. It's built to honor Harley Davidson's rich heritage, while confidently embracing today's technology. Positioned as a premium cruiser, the Model U focuses on comfort, torque-rich performance, and a timeless presence on the open road. Design and styling. The Model U features a muscular yet refined silhouette that immediately commands attention. A wide fuel tank, flowing fenders, and a low-slung stance give the bike a powerful, grounded look. Chrome accents are carefully balanced with blacked-out components, creating a modern classic aesthetic that feels both fresh and familiar. The round LED headlamp, signature Harley tank badge, and sculpted side panels proudly reinforce the brand's iconic identity for 2026 engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Model U lies a newly refined V-twin engine, tuned to deliver strong low-end torque and smooth, effortless cruising power. The engine produces that deep, unmistakable Harley-Davidson exhaust note, while offering improved efficiency and reduced vibration. Power delivery feels relaxed and linear, making the Model U equally comfortable on long highway stretches and confident during city rides. A 6-speed transmission ensures smooth gear changes and calm, composed performance at higher speeds. Chassis and ride quality. The Model U is built around a strong steel frame, designed to strike the right balance between stability and agility. An upgraded suspension setup, featuring refined front forks and adjustable rear shocks, provides a plush and controlled ride over uneven surfaces. The low seat height and relaxed riding geometry make the bike approachable for a wide range of riders, while still offering excellent confidence and control on longer journeys. Braking and safety. For stopping power, Harley-Davidson equips the 2026 Model U with a dependable braking system that includes dual front disc brakes and a rear disc. Standard safety features such as ABS and traction control are included to enhance rider confidence in varying road and weather conditions. These systems operate smoothly in the background, preserving the natural and engaging feel of the ride. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is a clear priority on the 2026 Model U. A wide, well-padded seat, mid-mounted foot controls, and an ergonomically shaped handlebar create a relaxed and natural riding posture. Conclusion. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Model U is a cruiser that truly respects tradition while meeting modern expectations. With its torque-rich V-twin engine, refined ride quality, advanced safety features, and timeless design, it stands as a compelling choice for riders seeking an authentic Harley-Davidson experience enhanced with contemporary comfort and technology. This has been the Auto Explorer.